Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday, and we begin with the latest from the Olympics, a day after being rocked by news of the withdrawal of reigning bronze medalist Shericka Jackson. Jamaica's women's in the 100 meters will take to the track for the heats tomorrow. But despite several medal predictions being bandied about, one veteran coach is not willing to join the chorus.
In less than 8 hours, this stadium will come to life as track and field is set to light up the Stade de France. Two-time Olympic 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is joined by World Under-20 gold medalist Tia Clayton, with Shashalee Forbes, who was a late replacement for Shericka Jackson, completing the trio of Jamaican women in the 100 meters. The country's last Olympic outing in the event saw them sweep the top 3 spots. This time, 19-year-old Tia Clayton is being touted to spring a surprise, drawing comparisons to Fraser-Pryce, who stunned the world in Beijing in 2008. But the man who has guided both, Stephen Francis, was not keen on that comparison.
No, Tia is young. She's 9, she's 20 next month. At the time when Shelly won, she was relatively mature. She was 22 that same year. So it's all a matter of what Tia wants.
The heats of the women's 100 get going at 4:50 a.m. Jamaica time. National high jump record holder Lamara Distin will be the first Jamaican in action in athletics, with qualification set for 3:15 a.m. The women's triple jump will see Jamaica's next participation, with world champs silver medalist Shanika Ricketts, Kimberly Williams and Akeelia Smith in the lineup. That starts at 11:15 a.m. Jamaica time. The women's discus gets going at 11:55 a.m. and Samantha Hall is the lone Jamaican contesting that event. The mixed 4x4 heats at 12:10 will feature Jamaica's first relay team in action, and that event is followed by the women's 800 featuring Natoya Gould-Toppin and Adele Tracy.